2026 Cadillac CT5 Blackwing that we've just protected with the best system on the market. Modern vehicles have a very simple push-to-start system that can be manipulated by thieves, either copying keys, cloning keys, programming new keys into the vehicle. Once they have manipulated the push-to-start system in some way, they can press start. But what's going to happen with the Igla system when they put the vehicle into gear? Igla is going to put the vehicle back in park and shut the engine down. I'm going to go ahead and restart the vehicle. I'm going to enter our temporary PIN code that we created. The customer is going to change it before they leave. Those two beeps just told us that the Igla system is now disarmed. If I put it in gear, I can now drive off. The system is 100% automatic. When you turn the vehicle off, after 3 seconds, it automatically arms. The PIN code that you create using factory controls can be as simple as one button 3 times or several buttons totaling of 20. If you have any questions about how we can protect your vehicle with the best system on the market, give us a call or text 972-612-6886.